Hey, James with Detailed Image. What's typically the dirtiest part of the car? The wheels, right? I want to show you a step-by-step process on how to properly clean your wheels. So the first step is to basically blast those wheels down with a high pressure rinse. You want to try to get off as much brake dust and dirt and grime in a touchless manner as you possibly can. You want to grab your wheel cleaner and spray it liberally all over the wheel. You want to let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes, let it chew up all that brake dust and kind of have that brake dust be released from the wheel. So now you want to grab your all-purpose cleaner and you want to hit the tires, you want to hit the fender wells, you want to hit all those nasty areas. You want to let that cleaner dwell, pull the dirt out so when you go in with your brushes, it's going to be super easy to clean. The first brush is the barrel brush, a brush designed to get deep inside that wheel and clean out that barrel. And for the wheel faces and calipers, we want to grab the wheel face brush. We want to agitate lightly and build up a nice lather. And now the most important wheel tool, the wash mitt. So simple, but extremely effective in getting behind the spokes and in places nothing else can. Lastly, grab a foam swab and get tight inside those little lug nut areas to really step up your wheel cleaning game. After that, we can do our final rinse, blast everything off, and then we can move on to our wash process.